Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, back again with me Nadia Nabila. In this video, I will explain how to configure DHCP client. DHCP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol is a protocol used to facilitate the automatic deployment of IP address to your device. DHCP client. The DHCP client makes a request to the DHCP server to get the IP address, DNS, and gateway automatically from the server. The IP address that is given by the server to the client is dynamic IP. Next, configuration steps. First, open Winbox application. Before you do the configuration, make sure you've done the security profile config. Click MAC address and connect. The first step is to check the interface that will be used with the interface print command. Here, I am using the VLAN 1 interface as the Internet Search or DHCP server. To ensure that the wireless interface of the router being used is connected to Wi-Fi or network that function as the DHCP server, we can check using the interface wireless print command. In here, status interface wireless VLAN 1 is running. Next, configure the DHCP client to add the VLAN 1 interface by using the IP DHCP client add interface VLAN 1. Press enter. Then, check the DHCP client that was created with the IP DHCP client print. Press enter. And you can see that VLAN 1 is still status disable invalid. Next, activate the DHCP client by using the IP DHCP client enable numbers 0 command. After that, check the results using the IP DHCP client print command. And you can see that the VLAN 1 interface status on the DHCP client is bound and has obtained the IP address automatically, namely 192.168.43.171/24. Also, check the address list using the IP address print command. You can see that the VLAN 1 interface has got a dynamic IP address from the DHCP server, namely 192.168.43.171/24 with network 192.168.43.0 interface VLAN 1. Next, check the IP DNS and gateway obtained from the DHCP server using the IP DNS print. In here, you can see dynamic servers, namely address 192.168.43.1. We can also check the IP gateway on the router by using the IP route print. This IP address Lastly, do a ping test on the server to ensure that the router is connected to the internet using the ping google.com command, and the result is a reply, which means the router has successfully connected to the internet. That's all the video about the DHCP client configuration. Hopefully this useful and good luck friends. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.